I remain Senator Ahmed Wadada Aliyu Sarkin Yakin Kefi Magajin Dangin Lafia. I represent Nasarawa West Senatorial District of Nasarawa State. While I align myself to this all-important motion, having known that security is everything, if our society is not fully secure, we will virtually achieve nothing. And whatever has even been achieved could be destroyed. But, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, this calls or takes us to the area in which and for which it will be disastrous, unacceptable for anybody as an individual or a group to go into any form of negotiation with these bandits. Because negotiating with bandits is empowering them on one side, fighting them on one side, and empowering them on the other side. These are people that are driven by dogmatism. They are indoctrinated. And so, changing them within the normal time you or we think is not possible. It is for us, all-encompassing, to face them squarely. While we commend the military, we should also, all hands should be on deck. Intelligence gathering comes before force. If intelligence gathering is well done, force may not even be needed. Because before they strike, you would have been able to demobilize them. And so, my concern is, one, the issue of negotiation with bandits. Because just 2 weeks ago or so, the governor of Katsina State, where this senatorial district falls under, had negotiated with bandits. And today, we have a colleague here crying foul for what had happened to his people. So what has the negotiation translated to now? It hasn't translated to the needed and required peaceful results or atmosphere we want. So we should stop by all means negotiating with bandits, and we should be reminded that security is for all. But we should encourage our constituents that have empowered us to be here to be much more responsive and committed to the issue of security, so as to, continue to assist and support the military in discharging its own fundamental responsibilities. While I contribute, I commiserate with the lives, the people of Danduze's senatorial district, and I pray alongside that this comes to an end. Thank you, Mr. President and distinguished colleagues.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me thank